Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. The Zontes 125 cubic centimeters, the 150 cubic centimeters, and 200 cubic centimeters model have been out since 2022. You may find that you have to remove the fuel tank. This could be to change the fuel pump, which is connected to the underside of the fuel tank, or you may be doing a valve check yourself and need access to remove the valve cover. The other reason may be to replace the EVAP valves and tubes, if this is the reason. Look at this photo of underside of fuel tank, as you may get confused, as only one of the V-tubes attaches under the tank. The other is a valve and just hangs there. And you see a clear tube under the tank. That stays clear as an emergency vent. So what is an EVAP system and its use? Well, here goes. The EVAP system, short for Evaporative Emission Control System, on a Zontes motorbike is designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Instead of letting those volatile hydrocarbons drift off into the air and your wallet, the system captures and stores them for later use. Here's how it works. Sealed fuel system. The fuel tank and lines are made airtight to minimize vapor leaks. Charcoal canister. This is the heart of the EVAP system. It traps fuel vapors using activated charcoal. On the Zontes 125 cubic centimeters and 150 cubic centimeters, this is located at the bottom of the airbox. On the 200 cubic centimeters, the charcoal canister is located separately at the front of the engine. Purge valve system. When the engine is running under the right conditions, the stored vapors are drawn from the canister and burned in the combustion chamber, boosting efficiency and reducing emissions. Why does it matter, you may say? Environmental protection. Prevents harmful hydrocarbons like benzene and toluene from polluting the air. You get better fuel efficiency. Slightly improves mileage by recycling vapors that would otherwise be lost. Regulatory compliance. Helps Zontes meet emission standards in markets like India and the EU. If you're troubleshooting or modifying your Zontes, the EVAP system might seem like a minor player, but it's quietly doing a lot behind the scenes. Connects to the breather hose and might trigger error codes on your dashboard. If you tamper with it or it stops working, then your bike won't run well. Quick tip is under your air filter box you will have two tubes with end caps on them. Remove the end caps if you see the oil vapor or water vapor tubes full. Then empty them. I check mine every month. On the 350 cubic centimeters models, there is a longer tube that you can see if you remove the right side panel. Well, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Best regards, Mad Mick.